Hi folks, good to be with you. I'm meteorologist Miguel Montoya from the One News Weather Center. Let's take a look at the headlines making news across our area. Spring is set to make a comeback over the next couple of days with mild to warm temperatures, especially by the time the weekend rolls around. But first, we have to get through a frosty night. We have clear skies overhead and relatively light winds. Ideal radiational cooling conditions overnight. We actually have a freeze warning in effect along our general area through tomorrow morning as overnight lows fall back into the upper 20s and low 30s. So be sure to bring in that tender vegetation for the night if you can. This is what you woke up to this morning in Ephrata. Temperatures in the upper 30s, which is slightly below normal for this time of year. And it was relatively cool this afternoon as well. Slightly below normal for this time of year. Like I said, temperatures overnight will fall back into the upper 20s and low 30s. That's record low territory across our area. So we'll have to see how far down the temperatures tumble overnight. Similar conditions along the Columbia Basin, including in Moses Lake. It was in the middle 30s this morning. And you only made it into the upper 50s to near 60 this afternoon, which is slightly below normal for this time of year. We have clear skies out there at the present time. Dew points hovering near 10 degrees. And with a stretch of dry weather coming up, that means the fire danger will increase and pollen levels will also remain in the moderate range due to the lack of precipitation. A northwesterly wind between 10 to 15 miles per hour. It will begin to relax as we head into tonight. We still have some cloudiness out there at the present time, especially off to our west and also along eastern parts of our state and east of the Continental Divide, where they have a few leftover rain and snow showers. A drying trend overnight, looking good on Wednesday into Thursday as a ridge of high pressure settles into the region. That will force the storm track well off to our north, up across British Columbia, Alberta, and Saskatchewan, Canada. We could see a few high thin clouds Thursday into Friday, otherwise looking good through the remainder of the work week and into this weekend. This is what you can expect on Wednesday. Looking good statewide. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Right around 70 degrees in Yakima along the Yakima Valley. As we take a closer look at the Columbia Basin, temperatures mainly in the 60s, middle 60s here in Ephrata, with similar temperatures as we look westward into places like Wenatchee, southward into Quincy. Let's take a look at that all-important extended forecast. 60s today on Wednesday after a frosty start. 70s on Thursday and Friday with a good deal of sunshine. Check out those temperatures for the weekend. We will top off in the low to maybe mid 80s with a good deal of sunshine overhead. We will be right back with sports.